Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So glad you're here. I'm Laura. This is Wyatt cleaning a paw, and this is Xena. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out with us. We do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls out for the day, and so much more. For today, I have my Glamour Jewelry Box. Yes, I have my Glamour Jewelry Box for August. This is a jewelry subscription, yours to keep. Comes on a monthly basis, $34. You get 2 pieces of high-end jewelry each and every month. Can't wait to dig into this. You do get to choose if you would like gold, rose gold, or silver, or a combination of both, which I do the combination. And you can get dainty or trendy pieces. This month's collection is the Summer Sunsets collection. And it says, introducing the Summer Sunsets collection. As we enjoy the final moments of summer, we create a set that includes pieces that are modern, sleek, and minimalist. Celebrate the beautiful summer sunsets with this fresh and versatile collection. All right, let's see what we got. You always get a little jewelry pouch with your pieces. And there's always little cards that tells you about each of the items as well as what the retail value is. Usually for your $34 a month, you get jewelry priced around $50 or more. Generally, it's more. So first up, I see earrings. These look fun. I like these. Check these out. So you have the post. So you just, I'm going to pull this little plastic back protector off so I can show you this, but you just pull them apart. Isn't that cool? I like that. That is super fun. Put it back together now so I can show you. Yeah, those are neat, right? All right, it says that this is the sunset earrings. The sunset earrings are open-ended hoops with a modern and sleek design. This unique pair is lightweight and can be flawlessly incorporated into your everyday style, taking you from day to night effortlessly. The retail value is $34, and it's from the Madison Parker collection. I think those are fun. All right, and I'll put both pieces on for you. Let's see what the second item is. Looks like a necklace. What you doing, buddy, huh? This is pretty. All right, so this is a little bar necklace. See how it has the solid bars there running through it? I could do it this way. Does have a long adjuster here if you wanted to make it a little bit shorter or longer. So there's 2 to choose from here. What's on your paw, buddy, huh? I like that. Okay, so this one says it is the bar necklace. It says the bar necklace is a modern and minimalist necklace that features a thin chain and dainty accented bars. Whether you layer it or leave it a solo, the bar necklace is a simple way to enhance any look. The retail value is $38, also from the Madison Parker collection. It does have a regular hook. So let's put these pieces on and see how they look. I like when they go on nice and easy. So here's the necklace. Very pretty. We'll also do the earrings. This is such an interesting style. Okay, so here's what the earrings look like. How adorable are these? I love these. So in order for me to get them on easily, I just like turned them. So like this, so I put the top in and I, turned them apart. So one up, one down kind of, and that was the easiest way for me to do it. It worked really well then. And then they kind of cross over each other a little bit. Isn't that pretty? They're very lightweight. I love the size of them. Here's a closer look just so you can see this. I think they dangle really nicely. The size is perfect too. Hopefully you can see how they're kind of crossing over. You could probably adjust, well you can adjust how tight they fit on the back of your ear if you wanted to separate that a bit more. But I kind of like them crossing over a little bit. Perfect angle, right? Perfect movement. And then here's the necklace close up as well. I love the bar detail. You could obviously layer this with other necklaces. And I do love that about the Glamour Jewelry Box. You can obviously wear pieces from previous sets with this set, mix and match them. I do that quite frequently. If you'd like to see how I wear these in real life, please stop by my Sunday Outfit of the Day, What I Wore videos, where I do wear many of these pieces on a regular basis. So you can check that out if you'd like to. But I definitely see this as a nice layering piece with other pieces from Glamour Jewelry Box and other jewelry that you already have. Very, very pretty pieces. All right, I like this set. This was super fun. So together, these would have been valued at around $74 for the $34 price for this month. At least the retail value would have been around $72. If you'd like to give this subscription a try and use the code HAPPY, you will get an extra piece of jewelry in your first box. So I'll put that information down below, as well as the link to Glamour Jewelry Box, and I will also put the names to these pieces of jewelry down below as well. A lot of times if you miss out on a box, so if you sign up now and for some reason the August box is sold out, you can a lot of times shop their previous pieces from previous boxes on their site, which is fun. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I always enjoy the Glamour Jewelry Box collections. Share your favorite piece. Let me know what you thought about this collection. I would love for you to hang out for long haul. Hit that subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like before you go. It helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And until next time, bye everybody.